Do you know that the number of languages that can be processed by NLP system has grown dramatically in recent years, from just a handful to hundreds of languages? With the rise of conversational AI and chatbots, NLP is becoming increasingly important, enabling machine to have natural and meaningful interactions with human. Are you ready to unlock the power of natural language and technology with our company's PG Diploma in Natural Language Processing? In today's data-driven world, the ability to process and analyze large amounts of text and data is becoming more important than ever. And that's where NLP comes in. With our program, you can learn to extract valuable insight from unstructured data and make informed decisions that can transform your business or organization. This course is designed to be exciting, dynamic, with hands-on real-world NLP projects. You will learn the latest techniques like statistical modeling, deep learning, and programming languages like Python. And with the guidance of our expert trainers, you will gain the skills needed to tackle complex NLP challenges with confidence. But that's not all. Completing this project can open world of exciting career opportunities in various industries like finance, social media, data scientists, etc. So, why not join our PG Diploma in Natural Language Processing today and become part of the exciting world of NLP? Thank you.